Even if you're self-employed, if you're a CIS contractor, you can get a mortgage with just 3 months pay slip, CIS statements, and they use your gross pay.
If you're a limited company director, rather than taking out higher salary and dividends in the previous 2 years to show a mortgage lender that you could have afforded the mortgage payment 2 years ago, we can use your share of net profits plus your salary. Some lenders even allow us to use those net profits before corporation tax, maximises your borrowing and saves your tax. If you really want to keep your payments down, the maximum mortgage term is 40 years. This does mean that you're paying a lot more in interest over the 40 years, but it can help people when they're setting out for your first home, keeping those payments down. You can always make overpayments as well, so helps you out.
There's some lenders that will let you borrow until the age of 70 or even 80, some without a pension, but most would require a pension payment being made. But they don't necessarily need that to be continuous. A lot of lenders would just allow a couple of pension payments on the statement.
You're a day rate contractor, we can use your daily rate, times that by 5, times that by 46 or 48, and even if you're a limited company director, then we're using your gross pay of 120, 115,000 pounds rather than what you take in salary and dividends.
You could do your latest year's accounts or even have just 1 year trading. So for example, even if you've been trading for 15 years, but you were really tax efficient in the previous years, you could just use your latest year's salary, dividends on net profits instead of average of the last 2 years, which is what most lenders on the high street would ask for.
If you're over 55, you've actually got more products available to you than somebody that's under 55. You've got lending into retirement options, retirement interest only, smaller building societies happy to lend much later on in life, and then you've got equity release, which is a great form of a lifetime mortgage.
Although interest only is really difficult to get, and most lenders will have minimum income and minimum equity needed in the property to use sale of property for interest only, and there are lenders that would do sale of property with minimal deposit, but it is very difficult, and that is proper scraping the barrel for a fun fact.
Yeah, I'm out.